Hi, I'm Joe with WTI, and as a makeup artist, I'm always looking for great, clean, wonderful makeup. And this product, Oxygenetix, I love. It's so concentrated and it lets your skin breathe. Check out this video and see how I use it to correct my dark circles. So all you need is a very little bit. It goes a long way. It's a one-pass concealer, which I love. And what's great about this product is that it's really a gap between skincare and makeup. It's in between. So not only is it going to cover my dark circles and any blemishes, but at the same time, it's going to repair the skin and heal the skin. And that is something that I really love as a makeup artist and esthetician. I think you're going to love it. Check it out. And that is my point of view.